Welcome to the research world. Artificial intelligence has permeated almost all spheres of life, and presentation design is no exception. A good PowerPoint presentation goes beyond the sheer number of slides. It's about the strategic use of layouts, color schemes, animations, transitions, graphs, and, of course, content. I have created this presentation with the help of AI. You can check the fonts and precision of pictures. So, let's start. The first thing you need to do is open your Chat-GPT. Then click on the search box. Write your prompt, for example, I'm writing to provide me a detailed 10 slides on stock exchange. Press enter. Wait for the Chat-GPT as it is generating the results for your prompt. As you can see that Chat-GPT has generated our 10 slides, PowerPoint on the stock exchange. Once you are done with generating PowerPoint slides with the Chat-GPT, open any search engine and search for Microsoft Word Online. Click on this Microsoft Word Online. If you are new to this Microsoft Word Online, you will be required for the sign up. But if you are already using it, simply click on the sign in. I'm already using this website, Microsoft Word Online, so I will be directly linked to the Microsoft Word. Here, first choose the type of the document. Click on this first blank Word document. Now, go back to the Chat-GPT, copy the 10 slides and paste it over here in Word document. Now, click on the File tab on top left side. Then click on the Export and then choose Export to PowerPoint. The moment you click Export to PowerPoint, it will ask for the theme design. Here, you can select the theme design of your choice. You can also search for more themes as well. For example, I'm going to use this design. Select Design and click on the Export. Now, you will see a message, your presentation is ready. Click on the Open Presentation. You can see that our text has been generated into a very beautiful and powerful presentation. Okay, once our presentation is ready, you can use the different designs for your presentation, available on the right side. Once you are done with your presentation, you can download it as well. For downloading your presentation, simply go to the File option, then click on the Save As. Select the type of the document you want to download. Select this option, that is, download a copy for your computer. Our presentation is ready. Check your download section. Click on this Enable Editing. You can make any sort of changes in this presentation. For example, I can edit my name and include date in it. Hopefully, this video will help you making beautiful presentations. Thank you for watching.